Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create watch face from using photo libraries pictures on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Photos, and in Photos tap on Library or Albums. So I'm going to select Library and then select a picture in the library and then tap on the share button at the bottom. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on create watch face. Now in here you can choose portrait watch face or photos watch face, and you can also choose the kaleidoscope watch face. So if you choose portrait watch face, and if we go down here you can select more than up to 24 photos. But however, if you choose photos watch face, you can see that you can only select one photo in here. So if you go back here, if you want to choose portrait watch face, then tap on that and then tap on photos. If you want to add in more photos, tap on add photos, and from the library select the photos that you want to add and then tap on add at the top, and then after that tap on select and select the pictures collection and then tap on done and then tap on done over here. Now we have selected 6 photos so that when you have the watch face on your watch, it will keep rotating. And now tap on the add button, add, and that's it. So now if we swipe up and swipe across to open up the watch app, and in the My Faces section, if you swipe across, you can see there is one called Photos, one is Portrait, and at the moment we are using Portrait. So if I go to my watch here, you can see now the watch face has been added, and that's all you have to do to basically add or create a watch face directly from your photo libraries pictures, and that will get transferred to your watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.